Or if we are not getting meaning of any particular word, we search meaning of that word on a Google and we get the meaning of that particular word. So whatever ununderstandable for us, we can understand all those things with the help of data, sources of information which are available on internet. Or here I want to give you one example. Nowadays in a lockdown, the number of women, they are searching various recipes on a Google, and by seeing those recipes they try at their home, right? So how this is possible, which is ununderstandable for us, now we can understand. And these women, they make delicious dishes nowadays at their home. एक उदाहरण तुम्हाला सांगते की आपण बरेचशा आपल्याला डिशेस तयार करता येत नाही, आपण त्या नेटवरती सर्च करतो, त्या रेसिपी पाहतो आणि मग ती रेसिपी आपण घरी तयार करून घरच्यांना देतो. हे सगळं कशामुळे झालं? इट इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ सोर्सेस ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन. ओके. अँड इन बिग इंडस्ट्रीज the same happens. Things which are ununderstandable, because of sources of information, those become healthy or easy. Big data analytics is the complex process of examining large and varied data sets or big data to uncover information such as hidden patterns, unknown correlations, market trends, and customer preferences. Here, big data analytics. Because of this particular data, or this big data analytics is the complex process of examining large and varied data sets. Because of this big data, we are able to understand those things, or we are able to uncover that particular information. Uncover means to open. जी माहिती आपल्याला माहिती नव्हती ती माहिती आपल्याला कळायला लागली आहे. that we are able to open that particular information. For example, here examples are given: hidden patterns, unknown correlations, market trends, and customer preferences. In business, in industries, those industries, they started to product those things which liked by the customers, and they get all that information as people started to use these search engines, and with the help of all these things they are able, or those industries, they are able to know what people like, and according to the likings of the people, they started that particular production in their company. With such a huge data available with the industries, they can have innumerable advantages. Hence, all the industries can try to reap the maximum benefit from it. And companies, industries, they come to know what people like, and according to the likings of the people, they started their production in the industries. Because of that, they get benefit, and this is advantage of data which is there. Many industries have advanced by miles from their competitors. Many industries, they have number of advantages, or they get large benefit. It is not the amount of data that is important, but what the organizations do with the data is what matters. Data is available. but large data is not important. But how those industries they use that particular data in their industry, that is very important. माहिती भरपूर आहे, परंतु त्या माहितीचा उपयोग ते इंडस्ट्री कसं करून घेतात त्याच्यावरती त्यांचं बेनिफिट ॲडव्हान्टेज त्यांचं अवलंबून आहे. सो collection of data is not important, but how that data is used by that particular industry, that is most important thing. Here whatever we have discussed up to this in this particular paragraph, we have given how data is important in industries. And now from the next part, writer has given us importance of data in different field, in different industries, and that we will study in the next lecture. Till then, write down new words from the paragraph which we have studied. Read the paragraph at your home. We will stop here. We will stop here. After this particular lecture, your political science lecture will start. So join that lecture on the given link. If you